Do you own an electric car or thinking of owning one? Then you've probably thought about charging your car at home. You could use the common 120-volt outlet for level 1 charging, but it is unbearably slow. A 240-volt dedicated circuit is needed to enable level 2 charging for ideal efficiency and speed. Normally, installing a new high-voltage circuit is a time-consuming and expensive process. It involves finding the right electrician, applying for a city permit, performing the installation, and passing inspections. This could take weeks, not to mention the high cost of parts and labor. However, if you already use an electric cloth dryer or any 240-volt appliance in your garage, then you are in luck. That circuit for your dryer is perfect for charging your car. You just need a way to share that circuit easily, safely, and cost-effectively. It is with these goals in mind that we embarked on a venture to bring such solution to market. We call it EV-Powershare, or EVPS for short. EVPS is a smart device that splits the dryer socket, allowing you to plug in the dryer and EV charger at the same time. Once plugged in, no further intervention will be required. EVPS will automatically switch power between the dryer and the EV charger, preventing both from being used at the same time. We designed and redesigned EVPS with safety and reliability as our top priorities. We focused on reducing heat generation in a high-voltage, high-current environment, carefully designing each connection, selecting components that will generate less heat while capable of withstanding high temperatures. For extra safety, we added a built-in thermomagnetic breaker for overcurrent protection, just in case the EV charger is misconfigured. All in all, EVPS has a UL94 rated enclosure, precise wire fitting, real-time energy information, automatic power switching, overcurrent and short-circuit protection. All these features make EVPS your best and safest option for charging your EV at home. For more information and to order yours today, please visit www.ev-powershare.com.